Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a virtual effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this you can add the video that you want to edit, and now you can click on the all effect at the bottom, and then after this you can swipe in here until you can see a virtual effect. This one you can click on it, and after this in here you can choose the virtual effect that you want. You can choose the virtual effect 1 until 4, this one. And after this I wanna try to add virtual one, and after this you can click on done in here and finish. So that's how to add a virtual effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.